Hey gang, so Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and I think one of the greatest 1/64 scale toys ever made is this guy right here. The 450 Case IH Steiger Authentic. So, unfortunately, these are getting a little trickier to find, but the detail on this thing is exceptional. And this was the peak, in my opinion, of the Authentic series. So front weights, rails everywhere, everywhere. Awesome wheels and tires, opening hood or opening door, uh, awesome detail cab, flasher bar, mirrors, lights galore, flasher bar, 3-point that actually moves, decent looking hitch. I mean, this is like Ertl just going insane. Again, just detail everywhere, and yeah, the hood opens. I mentioned it earlier. Boom. So, how can you improve on this? Well, custom 450 with giant tires. So these are from Daryl Stangler. And then, what the heck? Let's put some weights back here. Why not? Other than that, kind of left it alone. But still, this is pretty awesome. So then Ertl goes, hey, what if we brought out a quad track? Ooh, so this is the row crop quad track. So it's basically this tractor, quad tracked out. So it's pretty cool, except for Ertl stumbled quite a bit. So several of these, I've had a number of these go through my hands, and several of them are pigeon-toed like this, which sucks. And then also, I guess while we're here, so check out that ride height. It's like a lowrider. It's insane. Here is a regular quad track. This is what that should look like. This is the height that should be. So, I mean, it's fixable, but it shouldn't have been that way anyway. Like, nobody makes a lowrider tractor. Still, though, incredible detail. This is awesome. Another really pretty dang cool toy. So this is the 350 model, of course, but it's basically that 450. So how do you improve on that? Planting tractor, saddle tanks everywhere, scratch built brackets. Use some tanks from Moore's Farm Toys. These are robbed off of an Ertl planner, an old school Ertl 12-row planner, and then of course I made a scratch built bracket for that. So that turned out pretty sweet, right? Well, I think so anyway. So how do you improve on that? Steiger. Paint that sucker green. So the paint job is really good on this. A couple things looking back, and I'll do that in the future. I should definitely paint the globe up here, right? And then also, my decals are lacking. These are homemade decals. I should get somebody that knows how to make decals to make me some decals. I mean, that's just the bottom line there. The interior. So I thought, hey, if the red ones have red seats, if you made a green one, wouldn't it have a green seat? Green seats? Heck yeah, it would. So we got some green seats going on in there. So here's one of the things I just don't understand. Okay. And and if you've ever watched a video from me before, you've heard me talk about this before, check this out. Ertl put all this incredible detail into these tractors, and then they just put like a disc for a steering wheel. Come on, guys. Come on, Ertl. Give us a real steering wheel, would you? So, anyway, yeah, Steiger green. Let's go ahead and just twirl this around so you can kind of see, some of the paint and all that stuff. I mean, I just kind of went to town with the Steiger green there. But I think it was worth it. I think it was cool. Did a little better job on the decals on this side, didn't I? So yeah, Steiger. So what originated from Ertl as that thing on the left, which is, again, I think one of the greatest 1/64 scale farm toys ever made, of course evolved into the quad track on the right. Again, you can see the ride height ridiculousness going on there. So, I don't know. Maybe I'm being too harsh on him. Let's just, anyway. I just thought I'd revisit my favorite tractor here. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Please do the like, share, subscribe thing. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Treat each other well. Happy tractor hunting.